Do you feel like creating a website is too complicated? The truth is, it used to be, but now there are tools and platforms that make it simpler than ever for you to make a website without needing any experience or coding skills. In this video, I'm going to break down how to create a WordPress website with Astra and Elementor. By the end, you'll be able to create a professional looking website all on your own. Whether you want to start a blog, build a portfolio, or launch a business, this guide will walk you through everything step by step. Let's get started. Step 1. Set up your domain and host. Let's start with the foundation of your website, the domain and hosting. Think of your domain name as a street address for your site. It's how people find you online. Hosting, on the other hand, is like the plot of land where your website lives. Without hosting, there's nowhere for your website's files to go, and without a domain, no one will know where to look. To get both, I recommend using HostGator. They're beginner-friendly and offer great customer support, which is important when you're just starting. To get started, head over to their website, click on Get Started, then choose the hatchling plan. It's affordable and perfect for one website. On the next screen, you'll need to register a domain name. This is where you get to be creative. Your domain name should be short, memorable, and related to the website you're creating. For example, if your website is for a bakery, something like sweettreats.com would be ideal. Type your domain into the search bar and see if it's available. If it's taken, tweak it slightly until you find one that works. Next, select the 1-year plan. HostGator gives you a free domain for a year when you choose this option. You'll also see an option for domain privacy protection. This service hides your personal details from public records. If you're on a budget, you can skip this, but it's worth getting. After that, enter your payment details and complete your plan purchase. Now, you've officially secured your domain and hosting. Step 2. Install WordPress. WordPress is a content management system. It's the platform you'll use to build and manage your website. It's free, super flexible, and used by millions of people worldwide. After you log into your HostGator account, look for the Install WordPress button. Click it, and the setup will guide you through the process. Once it's installed, you'll have access to your WordPress dashboard. This is the control center for your website, where you'll make all your edits and customizations. Right now, it might look a little overwhelming, but don't worry, I'll break it down. Step 3. Clean up your WordPress installation. WordPress comes with some default plugins and content that you don't need, so we'll start fresh. Plugins are like apps for your website. They add features and functionality. Go to the plugins section in the dashboard, select all the pre-installed plugins, deactivate them, and then delete them. This will give us a blank slate to work with. Now we're going to install a tool called SuperBlank. This plugin erases all of the default content from your site, so you're not stuck deleting sample posts or pages one by one. Go to Plugins, Add New, and search for SuperBlank. Install it, activate it, and then follow the prompts to wipe everything clean. Now you've got a blank canvas for your website. Step 4. Install Astra and Elementor. Astra is a lightweight WordPress theme that's fast and easy to customize. A theme is basically the design framework for your website. It determines how your site looks and feels. To install Astra, go to Appearance in your dashboard, click Themes, and then Add New. Search for Astra, install it, and activate it. Astra works seamlessly with Elementor, which is a drag-and-drop page builder. With Elementor, you can edit your website visually, which means that you'll see exactly what your visitors see as you're designing. To install Elementor, go back to Plugins, Add New, and search for Elementor. Once it's installed and activated, you're ready to start building. Step 5. Build your homepage. Let's start with a pre-built template to make things easier. Astra comes with starter templates, which are professionally designed layouts that you can customize. Install the Starter Templates plugin by going to Plugins, Add New, and searching for Starter Templates. Activate it, then go to Appearance and select Starter Templates. You'll see a library of designs for different types of websites. Choose one that matches your vision, whether it's for a blog, portfolio, or business. Once you've found the one you like, click Import Complete Site. This will give you a fully functional website with all the pages and layouts ready to edit. To start editing, go to your homepage and click Edit with Elementor. This opens up the visual editor, where you can customize everything. Let's say you want to change the text in a header. Just click on it, type in your new text, and watch it update instantly. If you want to change a button, click on it, update the text, and add a link to where you want the button to take people. If you need to swap out an image, click on the image, go to the Style tab, and upload your new image. If you want to adjust spacing, head to the Advanced tab, where you can tweak margins and padding. Elementor is all about giving you control without making you feel lost. Take your time experimenting with the different sections, statistics, testimonials, call to action areas, and make them your own. And once your homepage is looking good, it's time to style your website globally. This means setting fonts, colors, and buttons that apply across your entire site. In the WordPress dashboard, go to Customize, then Global. Under Typography, you can choose the font styles and sizes for headings, body text, and more. Under Colors, you can set a color scheme that matches your brand. To make all your buttons look consistent, head to Buttons and adjust the size, shape, and colors. This way, everything on your site feels cohesive. Step 6. Create additional pages. Your website also needs more than just a homepage. You'll want an About page, a contact page, and maybe even a blog. To add a new page, go to Pages in your dashboard. Click Add New, give your page a title, and publish it. Then click Edit with Elementor to start designing. For the About page, share your story. Add a section with text about who you are or what your business does. Include images that represent your brand, and maybe even embed a video. For the contact page, add a simple contact form. Install the WP Forms plugin to create one. Once it's activated, you can design a form with fields for name, email, and message. Add it to your page by dragging the WP Forms widget into place. You can also add a Google map to show your location. Just search for the map widget in Elementor, drop it onto the page, and enter your address. Step 7. Customize your site's look. Branding is key to making your website stand out, so let's create a logo and site icon. Head to logomaker.com. Use their AI logo generator by entering your business name, describing what you do, and selecting your style preferences. Once you've designed something you love, download it. For your site icon, the small image that appears in browser tabs, create a simpler version of your logo. To upload both, go to Customize in your dashboard, then Site Identity. Upload your logo and site icon, and you're all set. Step 8. Add final touches. Finally, let's tweak your header and footer. The header is the top section of your site, where your logo, menu, and any call to action buttons appear. Go to Customize, then Header Builder. Adjust the height, colors, and layout to match your branding. Upload your logo and check how it looks. For the footer, go to Footer Builder. Edit the footer menu, update copyright information, and add any social media links you want to display. If you want your header to be transparent, enabling the background image from your homepage to show through, you can turn on this feature in the Header Builder under Transparent Header Settings. Before you finish, check how your site looks on mobile devices. In Elementor, there's a responsive mode that lets you see your design on mobile and tablet screens. Make any adjustments needed to make sure that everything looks great on smaller devices. Responsive design is important because most people will visit your site from their phones. Once you're happy with your website, go ahead and publish it, and that's it. You've built your website from start to finish. It's affordable, fully customizable, and best of all, completely yours. Whether you're building a site for your personal brand, a side hustle, or a full-blown business, this is just the beginning. What kind of website will you be making? Let me know in the comments, and if you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.